Hello everyone. Today we'll be going through very important and very interesting question, which is fraction over fraction. It's a little tricky question. We will go through the question, which is 3 over x minus 1 and whole fraction is 2 over x minus 1 plus 1. So this is question. Before going to the question, it's better I should explain fraction over fraction rule. So we have a lot of situations in which we have double fractions, like fraction in numerator and fraction in denominator as well. So I will be going through three such type of situations. One situation is we are having fraction, like for example 2 over 3 in numerator, and there is a main fraction which is like for example over here, this is the main fraction, and there is a number like 7 is here in denominator. This type of situation, we can also face this type of situation where we have like 5 as numerator and 2 over 3 as denominator. So fraction is in denominator and this one is the main fraction, this one. Now third situation which we can face is like this type of situation in which we have fraction both in numerator like 2 by 7 and for example 3 over 5. So this is fraction in numerator as well as denominator, and this green one is the main fraction. So how we are tackling this type of situation, we will understand this. So in this case, in first case, we will be pulling down the fraction which is there in numerator. So we will write like 2 over 3 and multiply by 7, which is equal to 2 over 21. So this will be the solution for this type of fractions. Now if we are having fraction is in denominator, so what we will be doing, we will be writing reciprocal. So how we will be writing it, 5 as it is, and reciprocal of 2 by 3 will be 3 over 2. So we will write like this, and this will be 15 over 2. Keep in mind reciprocal of 2 by 3 is what is 3 by 2. So this is how we are writing the reciprocal. Now the third type of scenario in which we have to tackle fraction in numerator and fraction in denominator as well. So we'll be applying both of these rules. So this will be like numerator fraction will be pulled down and denominator fraction will be changed to reciprocal. So our changed form will be what? Our changed situation will be 2 over 7 and 5 over 3, and this will be equal to 10 over 21. This will be the answer. This is how we are dealing with this type of fractions. So this third one is also summarized in this box which we have written over here. AB is fraction in numerator, CD is fraction in denominator. So multiply the outer one A and D, and this outer one will be as a numerator, and multiply inner one, and inner one will be resulting to denominator. This is how to keep in mind. So this is fraction over fraction rule. Hopefully you understood this. This is applied in so many questions, not only inside in this one algebraic fractions, but also in other type of questions. You have to simplify such a situation in which you have fraction over fraction and you are confused how to solve this fraction over fraction. Now we are dealing with this question. We can solve this in two ways. First method one will be what? We will be writing this main fraction like this is the main fraction, and we can write LCM of this fraction. One LCM will be x minus 1, and this will be 3 minus 1 into x minus 1, And similarly we can take LCM of the lower one, x minus 1, this will be 2 into x minus 1, basically 2 only. So 2 and plus 1 into x minus 1. So this is how we will be taking LCM, and after that we will apply fraction over fraction. So we will be simplifying. We can write 3 minus x minus 1 over x minus 1, and this is pulled down, and the reciprocal of the lower one will be x minus 1 divided by 2 into x minus 1. Now whatever cancellation possible we can cancel, and the rest of the question we can simplify. So it will be 3 minus x minus 1 divided by 2 into x minus 1, and we can open the brackets. This will be 3 minus x, and minus into minus 1 will be plus 1, and divided by 2x minus 2. And otherwise we can keep the denominator as it is, like for example 2 into x minus 1, and this will be, or we can simplify also. Basically we missed this 2. There should be 2 plus x minus 1, so this should be 2 plus x minus 1. So we missed plus over here, so that's why we are getting this. So we can open this, we will get 2 plus x minus 1. Now further we can simplify. This will be 4 minus x, and divided by, this will be x plus 1, x plus 1. This will be the final answer. Now this is first method. Second method also, I think so, second method is easier and quicker and simple, and I recommend the second method, but this is also a way to solve. Now if we go through the second technique, which is a simpler one, we can quickly go through within a minute. We will solve that also, and that is simpler one. And now we can do one thing. We can write it as in brackets, like 3 over x minus 1 and minus 1. I have written numerator in brackets and denominator also in brackets, like this one. And after writing this, we know x minus 1 is denominator. We can get rid of that one by multiplying numerator and denominator both by x minus 1. And after multiplication, what will be the situation? It will be x minus 1 will be multiplied by 3 over x minus 1, and minus x minus 1 multiplied by 1, and denominator also we can multiply x minus 1 into 2 over x minus 1, and plus x minus 1 multiplied by 1. Now whatever cancellation possible we can cancel. These two can be cancelled, and these two can be cancelled. Now the next remaining simplified version will be what? 3 and minus x. So minus will be multiplied by x will be minus x, and minus multiplied by minus 1 will be plus 1. So we'll write here plus 1 divided by, this will be 2 and plus x minus 1. Now we can write the final answer, which will be 4 minus x, and over this will be x plus 1, and this is the same answer which we got by the first method. So hopefully you understood each and everything. Subscribe the channel and recommend this channel to your friends and class fellows. Also press bell icon so that you will be getting notification for incoming videos. Recommend this channel to your respected teachers also. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.